The Great San Francisco Earthquake of 1906. In the early hours of April 18, 1906, the city of San Francisco was shrouded in darkness and quiet. Residents lay in their beds, unaware of the cataclysmic event that would soon change the course of their lives. Just as the clock struck 5:12 a.m., the earth beneath the city's foundation began to tremble, setting in motion one of the most devastating natural disasters in American history. San Francisco, situated along the picturesque coastline of California, had grown into a thriving metropolis. The city was known for its steep hills, its iconic cable cars, and its bustling port. People from all over the world had flocked to San Francisco during the California gold rush of 1849, hoping to strike it rich in the abundant gold mines of the region. Over the decades, it had become a hub of commerce and culture on the West Coast, earning the nickname the Paris of the West. The earthquake that struck San Francisco in 1906 was a result of the tectonic forces building up along the San Andreas Fault. The city had experienced tremors in the past, but none compared to the sheer force of what was about to unfold. The ground ruptured along a 290-mile stretch of the fault, releasing pent-up energy. The initial shock, with an estimated magnitude of 7.8 to 8.3, lasted about 45 seconds, leaving no one in doubt that something catastrophic was unfolding. The earth shook violently, buildings swayed, and the noise of grinding rock filled the air. Telephones and gas lines were severed, plunging the city into darkness. While the earthquake had caused significant damage, it was just the beginning of San Francisco's ordeal. Fires broke out across the city, spreading rapidly due to the ruptured gas lines and the unavailability of water to combat the flames fanned by strong winds. The fires raged out of control, consuming entire blocks. Desperate attempts were made to contain the fires, but they continued to devour the city. Firefighters and volunteers fought valiantly, often using dynamite to create fire breaks, but their efforts were often in vain. The destruction was profound. The earthquake and subsequent fires left an estimated 3,000 people dead, and over half the city's population homeless. City officials and residents were left with the daunting task of rebuilding. In the wake of the disaster, lessons were learned about the importance of earthquake-resistant buildings and urban planning. San Francisco's rebirth would see a commitment to better construction practices and preparedness for future seismic events. The Great San Francisco Earthquake of 1906 remains a symbol of resilience. The city and its people, despite the immense challenges they faced, emerged stronger and more determined to create a safer, more vibrant, and more inclusive San Francisco. This disaster, while devastating, was not the end but a new beginning for the city by the bay. The San Francisco earthquake of 1906 left an indelible mark on the city's history. It led to the development of stricter building codes and seismic retrofitting in the region. It also underscored the importance of disaster preparedness and response. The earthquake, with all its tragedy, showcased the resilience of the people of San Francisco and their determination to rebuild and thrive in the face of adversity. Today, the earthquake is remembered through memorials and historical sites that tell the story of that fateful morning in 1906. San Francisco has not only risen from the ashes, but has become a global symbol of a city that refuses to be defeated. This story of disaster, devastation, and determination is a testament to the strength of the human spirit and the ability to rebuild, even when faced with the most overwhelming of challenges.